Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, April 26, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have a big day ahead of us today. We just had a GDP number come in over 3%. I don't know how much we can make out of that, but what I will say is we have lots of stocks in the news. But let's get started here with the S&P 500 E-minis. They are trading higher by 1.5. Right now, futures sitting at around $29.28 per contract. We're not going to make too much out of this. We'll see how the action progresses throughout the trading day, and we have lots of stocks to talk about, so let's get started. First one is a big one here, Amazon. They reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Stock closed at $19.02 and a quarter. Now trading at $19.35.02. So, again, the numbers, I guess the projections for Amazon were not very high. But nonetheless, stock is moving higher this morning. So we'll see how that plays out. I don't really have any great levels until you get to around 2,000. I don't expect that to get hit today on the back of these numbers. But nonetheless, we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Amazon will be in play today, and we'll just take it in stride and see what it gives us. Stock, though, that I will be looking at this morning is going to be Intel, INTC. Full disclosure, I do have puts on Intel. The stock is getting absolutely hammered today. Closed at $57.61. Now trading at $53.09. I'm going to have gap levels for this one. So we will be looking to play this in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. As always, in sympathy, you want to watch the SMH. That is also coming under pressure. Micron today coming under some pressure. NVIDIA and VDA coming under some pressure as well. So again, all those semiconductors are in play this morning. So we'll see what this gives us. But again, Intel under big pressure here. And again, that could set the tone for tech a little bit here. Semiconductors are such a big part of the NASDAQ and NASDAQ 100. Next up, we're going to take a look at ExxonMobil. This is also pretty weak this morning. Closed at $82.22. Now trading at $80.40. I have gap levels done for this as well. So we'll be keeping Exxon on the radar. Right now, you do have a little support level at 79. When that is broken, though, or if it breaks, watch out. This will come into play. So, again, ExxonMobil in play today. We also have Chevron in play. CVX, they reported earnings. As you all know, they are in the process of trying to buy Anadarko. Stock is trading at around 118. I'll still have levels for it in case it does slip. Next up, we want to take a look at Starbucks. Starbucks reporting earnings. Pretty much, I guess, in line. Not a big reaction here. Stock closed at $77.06. Now trading at $76.79. So we'll keep Starbucks on the radar, but I don't see much to do with it yet. We will be looking at this one a little bit lower. Let's take a look at T-Mobile. TMUS is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $74. Closed at $72.71. So a little uptick there. We're not going to make too much out of it. Next up, we have American Airlines. Ticker symbol is AAL. Stock right now is trading at $32.32. It closed at $33.36. So you got a little bit of a haircut here. I don't see American going down that much. If it does fall, really, it should have a safety net around $31.50. I have a hard time seeing it really break below there. But again, we'll watch for pattern. We'll see what it gives us once the opening bell rings. Next up, I want to take a look at Bloomin Brands. BLMN, this is Outback Steakhouse. Stock is trading at $20.51. When I look at this name right now, I have to think there's huge resistance at around $21.60 to $21.75. So again, if you own this one, trail the stop loss immediately. We may have a fade play on this at around $21.50 to $21.75. So keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look here at AstraZeneca, AZN. Stock right now is trading at $38.28, closed at $39.05. So a little haircut there. Still a fair amount of support around the 38 level, and then much more just below 37. So we'll keep that on the radar, and we'll look at it a little bit later. Want to take a look at Mattel. MAT is the ticker symbol here. Stock having a pretty good move. Closed at $12.28. Now trading at $13.20. Briefly got above $14.40 yesterday after the closing bell. I think if this stock really ramped up, $15 is a big headwind. That's going to be a big resistance, and then you're going to get to around 1580, 1581, 82. That is monster resistance and a fading opportunity if Mattel gets up there. Let's take a look at Intuit. I don't know if there is earnings here. I just seen the stock move on my screen. Right now it's trading at around 249. Keep into it on the radar around 245.50, 245.60. There's pretty good support there. We'll see how that one plays out. Again, be a little bit careful because that doesn't trade a million shares a day. Let's do one more here, and then we'll wrap it up, and we'll get into gold. Goodyear Tire today getting a nice pop. Stock closed yesterday at $19.57, trading right now at $20.87. Huge resistance around 23. That's a shorting opportunity or fade opportunity if you're a day trader. So, again, keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out. Let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading up $6.10. Gold has been on the weaker side. Today it is catching a bid, though. So good little pop there for gold. If you look at the GLD, that's trading at 121.23. Closed at 120.57. Then we have crude oil on the flip side trading down $1.23 today. Oil right now sitting at $63.98 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good way to trade oil, and also track the movement, that's trading at $13.31, down from $13.52. So there you have it. Again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another solid day yesterday. And again, really, it's just been a great 2019 in the chat room. And we're going to look to keep that going. We've got about another 3 weeks of earnings out here. They're going to just keep flooding in, and we'll get gap plays and lots of action each and every day. So, again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great session, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.